Why should I replace damaged vent covers? Damaged vent covers should be replaced because they can let in water, pests, dirt, and unsafe air while reducing proper airflow. A vent cover is the protective piece over an opening for heating, cooling, plumbing, a dryer, or an exhaust fan. When it is cracked, rusted, loose, or missing, rain and melting snow can get inside walls, ceilings, or ducts. Moisture can lead to mold, wood rot, bad smells, and expensive repairs that may stay hidden for a long time. A broken cover can also allow birds, insects, rodents, and nesting materials to enter, which may block airflow or create a fire risk near a dryer vent. Proper covers usually include a flap, screen, or angled design that keeps unwanted things out while allowing air to leave. One detail many people miss is that a screen can become clogged with lint or dust, so replacing the cover should include checking the opening and cleaning the connected duct. Choose a cover made for the correct vent type and size, and make sure it slopes or seals properly against the wall. After installation, check that air moves freely and that the flap opens when the fan or appliance runs. One common mistake is covering a vent too tightly or blocking it with a fine screen, so use a properly rated cover that allows the required airflow. Another mistake is replacing only the visible cover while ignoring loose siding, damaged caulk, or a crushed duct, so inspect the surrounding area and seal it carefully. People also sometimes use a dryer vent cover with a screen, which can trap lint and increase fire danger, so use a flap-style dryer outlet and clean it regularly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.